Have you ever wondered how the euro became one of the most powerful currencies in the world? Today, we'll take a short journey through the history of the euro, from its creation to becoming the lifeblood of Europe's economy. After World War II, European leaders wanted peace and economic unity. This led to the idea of creating a common market and eventually, a shared currency. In 1957, the Treaty of Rome laid the foundation for economic integration, but the idea of a single currency came much later. In 1992, the Maastricht Treaty officially introduced plans for the euro. It set strict rules for countries to follow before joining the Eurozone. On January 1, 1999, the euro was born, but only as an electronic currency for banks and financial markets. 3 years later, on January 1, 2002, euro banknotes and coins entered circulation in 12 European countries. People lined up at ATMs to get their first euros. It was a historic moment. Over the years, more countries joined the Eurozone. Today, 20 out of 27 EU countries use the euro. But the journey hasn't been easy. The euro faced crises like the 2008 financial meltdown and the Greek debt crisis. Despite challenges, the euro is now the second most traded currency in the world, right after the US dollar. It unites economies, simplifies travel, and represents the strength of European cooperation. So next time you see a euro coin, remember, it's not just